Hi everyone and welcome back. Okay, so the drawing that I've got for you today is a place called Lake Bled in Slovenia, and this was actually a photo competition over on my Patreon channel where the members send in a photo that they want me to draw, and all of the other members vote on which photo they want. So a group of people send in the photos and the members vote on which one they want me to draw, and obviously they want me to draw it because it's a drawing tutorial for them to follow along with. It's a really nice photo actually, and it's a really nice place as well. I really enjoyed drawing this one. There's a lot of elements to get stuck into. In fact, you'll learn a lot if you follow along with this one. You know, we've got the sky there with the mist and the clouds, you know, the distant hills with the low-lying mist there. Obviously that lovely island there with the church and the background trees. You know, we've got the water reflections. We've got foreground trees as well. Well, overhanging branches anyway from a foreground tree. And we've got the obvious boat and landing stage there in the foreground. There's even the suggestion of a few stones just under the surface of the water in the bottom right hand corner. So there's a lot of techniques and a lot to learn in this one. And of course I'll be guiding you through every step of the way on how I've done this drawing, so you can follow along and do exactly the same and learn the same techniques that I used. I did use a little bit of artistic license in this one. I decided to increase the effect of the mist in the background and lessen the detail to try and get a little bit more depth in the picture and increase the atmospheric effect of the mist. But like I say, this is a full tutorial over on my Patreon channel, and I talk a lot more in depth about how to draw this picture, you know, and how I achieve that misty background. Even got textures there on the foreground boat, you know, the wood textures there. So there really is a lot of textures and a lot of techniques in this one for you to learn. In fact, several of the members have already posted their drawings of this scene over on the community page on my Patreon channel. They've done a really good job of it as well. So if you do consider joining my Patreon channel, you'll get access to the community page where you can chat with the other members, post your own artwork and see what the other members have been drawing and painting as well. And obviously you'll get access to all of the videos. If you just have a quick look through my YouTube channel, you'll see an example of some of the projects, not all of them, but just some of them are on my YouTube channel, of the type of work that I do over on Patreon. Or you could actually go over to Patreon and have a quick look there at the collections page, and you'll see that there's tons of drawing and painting projects for you there. There's whole sections for beginners, there's tips and techniques sections on talking about art materials. There's a lot of information and a lot of content there for you. In fact, I think there's about 1700 I think videos there, round about that number. And you get access to all of that for only £4 a month. That's a bargain, I think. So there we go. It'd be great to see you over there, and I hope you like this drawing. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Really would appreciate that. So take care everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.